Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video, I will show you how to reply a comment with a Reels video. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to do that. So open your Instagram account and select the comment. For example, I am selecting this post and here I will select one comment. For example, this is a comment I am selecting. I will click on reply, and if you want to write, you can write it something here, or else I want to reply with a video, so I will click on this camera icon. Now you can click on this and you can record whatever you want to answer it here. Once it is done, you need to click on next. So if you want to save it and post it in a story, you can click on this download and you can post it in a story, or else you can click on arrow icon here and you can add the caption and you can post it in your Instagram. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.